Hi, my name is Nate and I'm here from HannahRV.com, and today we're going to talk about your RV's fresh water system, and I'm going to highlight a few key products that are very important for you to have and you should definitely check out on our website at www.hannahRV.com. There are many important aspects of your RV's fresh water system. They include your RV freshwater tank, the water pump, a water filter or filters, possibly a water softener, drinking water and freshwater hoses, and lastly, freshwater chemicals that are used to treat and clean your RV freshwater tanks. Each piece plays a crucial role in making sure that your RV experience is enjoyable and safe for you and your family. Depending on where you're traveling with your RV, the quality of your water supply can vary drastically. That is why it's so incredibly important to purchase a high-quality RV water filter. Here are a few different options for obtaining clean water to drink, cook, and bathe with. You can boil the water, but this is a headache and is not very practical. You can use bottled water, but that can be a real hassle and it gets expensive very quickly. You can install a quality point-of-use water filter. You can install one of these under your sink for drinking and for washing dishes. Or you can install an inline external water filter that will filter all the water in your coach before it reaches your faucets. This is the option many RV enthusiasts choose because it solves the problem before it reaches your sinks, faucets, and shower. Here is an example of an inline RV water filter from Camco. This is both a KDF and carbon filter, and it comes with a handy, flexible extension hose. And what this will allow you to do is to connect the filter to your city water hookup supply, and it gives you some flexibility. So in case someone trips over the line that's connected to your camper or RV, this way it will bend and it will give, and that's important because it won't damage the water filter or the hookup to your trailer. No matter which RV water filtration system that you choose, please make sure to also filter your water from the source hose. You can purchase an inexpensive hose filter that fits over the nozzle of your hose and tank to help filter impurities from the water source. This is another little 3-pack that we carry. It comes from Camco, and this will just go on the end of your hose and also on the hookup to your RV. Many city water hookups and RV campground sites do not have the greatest or cleanest water supply, but a quality RV water filter will help give you peace of mind and great tasting water every time that you turn on your faucet. To get the water filtration system that meets your requirements, you must first determine what those requirements are. How much of the water that you use in your RV is going to be filtered? How clean do you want your water to be? How often are you actually going to use your RV? These are all questions that you need to be answered in order to help select the best RV water filter for your particular needs. If you decide that you would just like to filter all of the water coming into your RV or trailer, then you'll want to use an inline RV water filter unit like this one from Camco that I showed you. These are the smallest and the easiest to use filters for this type of job. They remove sediment and they help improve the taste and odor of the water in an efficient and compact package. However, due to their small size, this means that they also have a relatively short lifespan and limited water flow rate. If your only concern is filtering your drinking water, you have several possible options. Your first option is an under-the-sink model that has a special spigot for the filtered water. You can also purchase a countertop model that sits on top of your counter and connects to the faucet. Since drinking water usually represents a much smaller portion of the total water that's being used, a water filter system for drinking water is smaller than a whole rig system. This also means that you use cartridges that have a much lower water flow-through rate. Many RV manufacturers install water filters, and they are typically in one or two different styles. The first style is an inline filter used under the sink, and most are either a FlowPure, AquaCity, HydroLife, SureFlow, or WaterPure brand. These are fine filters, and we sell all of these on our website with free shipping. Here is our best-selling water filter by WaterPure. It's model number CCI10CA. It's a 10-inch filter, and this goes inside of the 10-inch clear canister. If you're looking up on our website, you're going to want to search for CCI10CLW in the search box. This is made of extremely hard plastic, so it's going to last you a very long time. The only thing that we like to mention is that if you're going to have this hooked up to your RV trailer or camper and the temperature is going to drop below freezing, you're definitely going to want to disconnect this and empty out the water, because if the water is still in here and it freezes, it will expand and crack this, and you're going to have to purchase a new one. So I'd like to save you the headache and hassle of doing that, but if it does happen, we're always happy to help you out. This is an example of a Hydrolife water filter that's an under-counter replacement. So this would go underneath your sink in your RV. And this is model number HL170PP. This is actually their leading filter because it filters out so many different viruses and bacteria. And just to mention a few, it gets rid of aluminum, arsenic, bacteria, cadmium, barium, chlorine, hydrogen sulfide, iron, lead, mercury. The list goes on. You can read more about it on our website. The other style of filter that's installed by some coach manufacturers is a one cartridge under the sink system in which an RV filter cartridge screws into a metal filter head. The manufacturer of this product is Everpure. This cartridge removes sediment including cysts and granular carbon, and also greatly helps to improve the taste and the odor of the drinking water supply. So the model number for this, if you're on the website, you want to search for is EV959206. So if you're in an area where the water has a lot of bad smell, there's sulfur in it, or you're getting that bad taste, like as if you're drinking well water, that's definitely the cartridge that you're going to go with. This has been our introduction to freshwater systems and RV water filters. If you have any questions about our freshwater systems, please give me a call at 414-762-7950 and ask for me, Nate, your water filter specialist. And please be sure to visit us online at hanarrv.com to take advantage of our free shipping on all of our products. I thank you for joining us today, and have a great rest of your day.